Do you know? Plants are classified into several types based on different characteristics, such as their life cycle, structure, habitat, and reproduction. Here's a broad classification of plant types. First, by life cycle, annuals, plants that complete their life cycle in one growing season. Example, marigolds. Wheat, biennials, plants that take 2 years to complete their life cycle. Example, carrots. Parsley, perennials, plants that live for more than 2 years. Example, roses, oak trees. Second, by structure, herbs, non-woody plants with soft stems. Example, basil, mint. Shrubs, woody plants that are smaller than trees and have multiple stems. Example, hibiscus, lavender. Trees, woody plants with a single trunk. Example, oak, pine. Climbers and vines, plants that grow by climbing or sprawling along surfaces. Example, ivy, grapevines. Third, by habitat, aquatic plants, plants that live in water. Example, water lilies, lotus. Desert plants, plants adapted to arid environments. Example, cacti, succulents. Tropical plants, plants that grow in warm, humid environments. Example, orchids, banana trees. Fourth, by reproduction, flowering plants, angiosperms, plants that reproduce through flowers and seeds enclosed within fruits. Example, apple trees, sunflowers. Non-flowering plants, gymnosperms, plants that reproduce through seeds that are not enclosed in fruits. Example, pine trees, cycads. Ferns, non-flowering plants that reproduce through spores. Example, maidenhair fern. Fifth, by use, ornamental plants, grown for decoration. Example, roses, tulips. Medicinal plants, used for healing. Example, aloe vera, echinacea. Edible plants, grown for food. Example, tomatoes, spinach. Each category can have many subtypes and classifications depending on scientific or practical uses. For more such videos and learning, follow Mindful Bites.